Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974 chainsaw from Trick or Treat Studios. And here's the box here. And here's the side. And the back.
Alright, let's unbox it.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll just start it off. Alright, you got it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just going to go get some batteries.
Yeah.
Alright, I've just put 4 AA batteries in and Joel's going to start it up now.
Okay. So as you can see, this is a button to turn it on. So you want to flick that on there.
Alright, so that's just idling now. So how do we make the chain go?
So you want to turn that on here. Press this button here.
Oh wow. It's loud.
Yeah.
Alright, show everyone like all the dirt and grime and stuff.
Yeah.
Show everyone all the dirt and close-ups of it. So these don't pull.
No.
No. And that the choke doesn't pull out either.
No.
Can Dad have a go?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah.
You want to go? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye everyone.
Alright, bye everyone.